Let me show you how to solve this kind of question on the board. You are told that at what points does the line y equals 3x plus 1 intersects with the curve y equals x squared minus 2x plus 7. To solve this problem, this is the first thing you need to know. You need to know what it means for something to intersect. For something to intersect, it means they meet at a point. The point of intersection is what we are asked to find. So how do you now solve this? Here is the solution. The first thing you need to do is to equate this part of it, this part of this equation, to this one. So if we do that, we are going to have x squared minus 2x plus 7. Equate it to this part of it, this first equation. Once you have done that, move everything to this side. So this is x squared minus 2x plus 7. If you move this one, it becomes negative 3x. And then if you move this one, it becomes negative 1. Then everything equal to 0 because we have moved everything. After you have done that, let us rearrange this. We have x squared minus 2x. Let's bring this one. Minus 3x. Then here we have plus 7 minus 1 equal to 0. After that, let us add this. We have x squared minus 2x minus 3x is minus 5x. Minus 5x. Plus 7 minus 1 is plus 6 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. To solve this, you have to look for what are the two numbers that when you multiply them, you get plus 6, but when you add them together, you get minus 5. The two numbers are minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 will give us minus 5. Minus 2 times minus 3 will give us minus times minus will give us plus. 2 times 3 will give us 6, which corresponds to plus 6. So these are the two numbers we are going to make use of, minus 2 and minus 3. So we have x minus 2 and x minus 3, then equal to 0. Once you have done that, let's equate each of these to 0. So we have x minus 2, which is this first one, equal to 0. In which, if you solve this, if you take this one to this side, you're going to have x is equal to, taking this to this side, we have positive 2. Then let's equate this other part. Now write all. Let's equate this other part. X minus 3 equal to 0. So if you take this to this side, x will be equal to positive 3. So these are the two values for the x values. Now let us find the corresponding values of y. You can substitute this and this into any of this equation, you get the same answer. But I think it will be easier to do that here because this one is a simpler. This is a linear equation, so this one is easier than this. But whichever one you use, you get the same answer. So now, say when x is equal to 2, let's make use of it. Y is equal to, we have 3. In place of x, we put 2. 3 times 2 plus 1. That will give us 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So that's 7. Then also, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3x plus 1, which is 3 times 3 plus 1. That will give us 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So the points are, you now collect, when x is 2, what was the corresponding value of y that we got? 2, 7. So we have 2, 7. And the second one, when x is 3, the corresponding value of y was 10. So this is the answer to this problem. If this video makes sense to you, why not follow me for more? And don't forget to let me know your view on this. video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.